Before you look at the Soweto derby, but as Orlando Pirates against Pyramids, what went wrong for Orlando Pirates? So Orlando Pirates has had this persistent problem of failing to deal with high balls, and I've been telling people that most of the Soweto derbies we lose. Kuba a result even the goals we concede must win. It's a result of our failure to deal with high balls. Pirates ihlale inenkinga naleyo nto leyo. So ama high balls ke ungafaka ngendlela eningi. It's either ufaka from straight from a set piece or from a corner kick okanye ushayelo kuzana cross. So ibhola maliqhamuka kanje lisuke liyi cross angithi. Then there is a pass ebizwa nge diagonal pass njengomuntu ke ofunde isingisi ne mathematics ngibe nginifundise ngithi ibhotsho kancane. So ibhola eli diagonal elihamba kanje. Yabona nje elihamba kanje. Hayi elithe eli horizontal noma mhlawumbe eli vertical. Into ehamba kanje. Isuke diagonal elihamba kahle litshekile lithe. I-diagonal ke leyo nasebholeni khona nakwi-mathematics khona nakwi-English nje nasemhlabeni wonke jikelele igama elikhona lelo. Ama-diagonal pass isikhathini ngajwayela ukushaya usesane mawashaya umfukeng eliswitcha ngapha elisale not ukuliswitcha ngapha kwa right uliseka left but ukuliswitcha ngathi litshekile ngathi ground le phone le i-ground umi kanje lingathi lihamba kanje. Yeah, ama-diagonal ke lawo. So ake sibuke ukuthi ke ilokhuzana i-Pyramids yenze njani against Pirates. This is a diagonal pass. We can't deal with it. Fortunately, the player misses. Another diagonal pass. Why switch kamnandi yaba diagonal pass, as you can see, which will result in another high ball in form of a cross now. And the cross is gonna come in. We can't deal with it. It's a goal, right? High balls and diagonals. Remember, this is gonna be a diagonal pass, and our defense can't deal with it. It's a goal. High balls and diagonals, remember, crosses and all that. This is going to be a pass, and they're going to try another diagonal ball into the box, right? They fling it into the box. Our defense can't deal with it. Fortunately, the player misses. It's high balls and diagonals. A high ball in form of a cross now, a corner kick rather, and the keeper deals with it, but the rebound is tapped in by Umayele to make it 3-2. And here we're going to see another cross with first leg. It comes in, our defense can't deal with it, they miss. And we're gonna see another corner kick, high ball, and they score. Fortunately, VAR yabona ukuthi balikora ngesandla and it doesn't count. Another high ball here, we can't deal with it. Lieza, and our defense can't deal with it. Mayele uyascora phakathi yabo, and then VAR yabona ukuthi cha besirochiwe nala. So yeah, that was part 1. Ku part 2 ngizonikhombisa ukuthi ama diagonal balls ahamba phezulu nama cross nama corner as well as penalties asesibulale kanjani against Kaizer Chiefs over the years. Since ngaqala ukubuka iChiefs nise no Paul Ndlanya even before kuze kube manje. Kuzonikhombisa nje konke ku part 2. Stay tuned.